Hi guys, this is Shupriyo, and today I'm gonna discuss about some basic techniques of pencil drawing. I have made a lot of drawings for many years on Paint Academy where I have showing lots of pencil techniques from basic to advanced. But exactly I am showing a full drawing like a landscape, a still life or other types, but never discussed about a single techniques in details for beginners. So I decided to make a video about some basic techniques so that it can help the beginners as well as intermediate level. Today I am going to discuss about 4 basic techniques of pencil drawing. The techniques are hatching, cross-hatching, stippling and blending. Actually these are the mostly used techniques in pencil drawing and I'll try to explain the thing as simple as possible. So let's get started. Here I draw some cubes and circle and also its shadow. Okay, I'm start with the first technique, hatching. Just see, I pull the line from one side to another. It doesn't cross anyway. And I'm gonna darken the value like this way. Just filling the gaps between the two lines. As much as you need, you can add the value in your drawing like this way. That's a way of creating differences between lights and shadow. And in the shadow part, you have to add more values compared to it. Okay, I'm start with the circle part. And the strokes on here shouldn't be the straight lines. Just a bit curvy like what I do here. It really keeps the circular dimension of circle. Also giving the second layer of values in between lines. Remind that here I just giving 2 layers of values as it is a small thing. So 2 or maybe 3 layers of stroke is enough. But in the big cases, you have to add more values like 5 to 6 layers as much as you need it. Check out our pencil drawing tutorials, you may understand more clearly. I'm just increasing more shadow depth on this section compared to the whole thing. Okay, let's start with the cross hatching. First I'm giving a hatching stroke and after that I just crossed it. Okay, hopefully you can understand on both the cube and circle section. Now I am doing the stippling technique, and on here you have to apply lots of dots. And the most notable thing is that the dots shouldn't be overlap with each other. You have to maintain it with difficulty. As much as you can free a dot from overlapping with each other, it will be very good to see. This technique takes a lot of time to work. It's conventional that stippling is the most hardest technique. Very few artists in this world work on this technique. Okay, I'm just speed up the video. Okay, you can see that the shading process is the same. You have to add more values on the shadow section. Okay, now I'll start the technique blending. You have to lie down your pencil strain for this and just smudge it with your finger. Besides finger, you can smudge it with blending stumps, cotton buds, etc. Okay, hopefully you can understand these techniques. Hope this is useful to you. See my other pencil drawings. They will really help you to understand it better. I upload pencil videos on every Friday. Not only graphite pencil, I also show watercolor pencil work and pen and ink drawing on Friday. So please stay with Paint Academy for more great tutorials. Thank you. Happy drawing.